In this video, I will share with you how to add a digital clock with a cool animation effect in Hostinger website builder. This is the clock that I will show you how to add in your website in Hostinger builder. And the first thing, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites and select websites list. Now click on this edit website button next to your website. If you're like me, you have multiple different websites and you want an easy way to easily distinguish between WordPress websites and other websites built with Hostinger Builder, just look at these little icons next to each website. This is a WordPress website icon and this is the Hostinger Builder website icon. Now click on edit website. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and the first thing I will add a blank section below the website header. I will make it a little bit shorter. Then I will add the element which is called embed code. Drag and drop it like that. Click on enter code. Delete this existing code and copy this code that I will share with you in this video description. If I forgot to do so, just let me know in the comments below. Paste your code here and hit embed code. This is the digital clock. I will put it here. Make this section a little bit shorter. Or instead of that, let's put it next to this one. I want to place this one here. Let's delete this blank section, then try to save or update my website. Let's view my website live. And this is my digital clock with a cool animation effect. By the way, it is exactly my local clock time in my PC. So it takes the local time of your website visitor. So don't worry about adjusting time. Now that you've seen how to add this digital clock, let's play with this digital clock code a little bit to edit the design or the colors. First thing, let's play with the section dedicated for the clock. This is a code, or this is a color code. Let's test it with the black. As you can see, you can edit the clock color from here, from the background. I will return to the original colors. Same thing for the font size. You can make it bigger. You can make the whole clock bigger from the font size. I will go back to just 40 pixels. You can also make the font bold or, for example, italic. I think italic is not supported. So this is the normal text. Font weight, I've meant. Padding, let's play with the padding. This is how to make the padding bigger. Same thing for the width. Border radius, box shadow, animation. From here you can edit the pulse effect. I will make it a little bit slower. The pulse take 5.5 seconds. The default one is just 1.5 seconds. And that's all for how to edit this code. That was all for this video. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.